What's the meaning of counterculture? Counterculture. Counterculture.
Counterculture. Counterculture. Counterculture refers to a subculture that opposes and challenges the dominant societal norms and values. It is typically associated with social and political movements that reject mainstream ideals and advocate for alternative ways of living and thinking. Countercultural movements have emerged throughout history, including in the 1960s and 70s with the rise of the hippie movement and the civil rights movement. The result of counterculture can be both positive and negative. On one hand, it can promote diversity and social progress, while on the other hand, it can lead to clashes and divisions within society.